Rinse the chicken under cold water and remove any giblets, excess fat, and leftover feathers. Do not remove the skin. In a large pot, bring the water to boil. Drop in the chicken in the bubbling hot water. Cover and bring the chicken to boil over high heat for 20 minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 5 minutes. Prick the chicken with a fork if it still contains any bloody water coming out of it. If you let the chicken cook for longer, it becomes dry, and again, we don't want that. Turn off the heat and remove the chicken from the pot. Lightly massage both sides of the chicken with salt. Be careful, it's super hot. Using a Chinese knife, carve it into serving pieces, and that's it. A simple, healthy, and delicious boiled chicken that's perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal. Enjoy!